Hello guys, this is Team Microbe here. This is a PCB test jig right now working on that. We are working on that. This is a one PCB we have. Approximate 30,000 pieces we need to test this. Client need to test these circuits. So this is an automatic test jig we are manufacturing right now. This is a mechanical assembly part here for the pushing for the Pogo pins. This is an indications part. This is a circuitry part for the paneling. Right now proper wiring is going on. All testing is done. So this is the inside of the test jig. And this is totally based on microcontroller and embedded system with software and cloud interfacing. So let's have practical first demo. We are also testing it first time. We have individually tested all circuitries and all the parts, but in jig we are testing right now. This is a first demo. So this is a PCB. You can put this PCB only in one direction. It cannot go in other direction. So whenever any person is putting this PCB, the system is testing short circuit test as well as giving a output voltage of 5 volt and ground. So automatically push button will press and inside circuitry will start. So yeah, circuit is on. Now we'll press the slider here. Yeah, the push button is here. So this test is going on. Okay, this PCB is okay. Green light is indicating this PCB is okay. If there is a red light, then this circuit is not proper. So this is totally automatic test jig. In single day, approximate 4,000 to 5,000 PCBs, we can check it out automatically. This total designing is done by Team Microbe with electrical, electronics, mechanical and mechatronics team. So you can get a one-stop solution here for any type of